The heat map is red today, and it has to do with hot PCE numbers. That's right, we're talking inflation. The market's pricing in a 50 basis point hit from the Fed's next meeting. We've got three arrows, more liquidations to come here. This all has to do with crypto winter and crypto hot potato. Xlm and Xrp have been range bound here as of late. We're going to dig into some price action of the two and see what the future holds. There's that red heat map for you. The market is pricing in the 50 basis point hit, all because of PCE data. Data from the CME group indicated that the futures markets are already pricing in a 50 basis point increase after the news, double the previous general market consensus of 25 basis points. This all has to do with hot PCE numbers. In fact, this was the first time we saw PCE numbers increase over the last 4 months. Hot numbers, hot job market means Jerome Powell and the Fed are going to have to cool things down with the 50 basis point hit. Liquidators to sell Three Arrows Capital's NFT to recoup funds. And I get it, a lot of you out there aren't NFT fans, but I want to bring this story to your attention for one big reason. It's the dates. Do you guys remember when Three Arrows Capital filed for bankruptcy? Give you a second. It was in July, early July. Three Arrows Capital filed, and they are just now, end of February, starting to sell off some of their NFTs to recoup over $3.6 billion owed to creditors. So my thing to you is this: how much of the value of those NFTs has peeled away since July, right? We've seen the market has crashed quite heavily since July. Well, it's crashed quite heavily for quite a while. But since July, we've seen major market retracement in prices. And now we're talking, 9-10 months later, they're finally auctioning off some of the NFTs. NFTs from various collections, including Bored Ape Yacht Club and CryptoPunks, will be on the block as Three Arrows Capital tries to raise some more funds. Analyst says XLM is moving in lockstep with XRP. A lot of similarities, a lot of differences. The analyst disclosed this in a tweet yesterday, pointing out that the price difference between both assets is usually within a 30 to 40% range. Basically, they tail each other, and here's that tweet for you. And if you want to follow me on Twitter while I break some of this news soon, you're welcome to do so. Why? Because as always, any article you see and my Twitter information will be linked in the description below. XLM price comparison to XRP. I've been following XLM for a couple years. Observed that the price of XLM is on average 30 to 40% plus or minus the price of XRP. Let's take a look here. We've got now crypto over the last 6 months, and you can see they do move fairly well together, right? There is some lockstep action. The big difference, though, is this move right in here. This huge spike was the pump up of the Fudster channels out there saying, oh, summary judgment is going to happen. Everyone believed it. And then the major correction here was of FTX time. You can see XRP corrected way more heavily than XLM. So that pump up action right here, that's the difference in price you could see this whole way through this channel. But XRP, XLM are moving together. Now, if we start comparing them to Bitcoin, and I think this is what a lot of us are starting to question. So let's put that in. Let's compare them to Bitcoin, and we're going to make Bitcoin purple. Look what happens. Over 6 months, we're right there. XRP and Bitcoin are right there. Now XLM down 19%. Now zoom in a little bit more and you're going to see the difference. This is why the market is upset with XLM and XRP, because of recently we've seen the rally of Bitcoin compared to XLM and XRP. In fact, that's over the last 3 months. Let's go to the beginning of 2023, and you can see Bitcoin is up almost 40%, XLM is up 22.5%, and XRP is up 9%. So it's all about your perspective of time. Zoom out just a little bit more to say 4-ish months or so, and you've got, again, Bitcoin with the lead, but XRP and XLM pretty much trading together. This is that lockstep motion that he was referring to in his tweet, and it's not deniable. You cannot deny that XRP, XLM are range bound, they're limited, and I think a lot of us out there could even say manipulated. Now, in terms of the outlook, some of the macros are softening up while some of them are actually not moving in our favor. Bitcoin and Ethereum have been stealing the volume and price action as of late. So the outlook for XLM and XRP is fairly soft heading into the next FOMC meeting with Jerome Powell and the Fed. So you've got hot PCE inflation data leading to a red heat map. That red heat map is indicative of people out there pricing in 50 basis points on the Fed's next meeting. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out, because we will be broadcasting that live. Liquidators taking your time, don't you think? Yep, 3 arrows. We're talking like 9 months later. They're starting to liquidate some of their NFT collections. Again, for the people that are owed money, you would have been able to give them more had you have liquidated things in a more timely manner. But now, 9 months later, extended crypto winter, definitely getting pennies to the dollar. And XRP and XLM price action, not moving as the likes of Bitcoin over the last several months. XRP and XLM definitely seem a little bit range bound. We've seen XLM, though, hold above that 9-cent mark. XRP is struggling, though, to even get to that 40, sitting at 37.6. Bitcoin, though, has been ruling the roost as of late, and it has a lot of us out there, utility fans, upset because we're like, hey, where's the love for our favorite utility coins and tokens out there? Now, until more news breaks, I'm going to get a workout in. Here's a video for you to check out in the crypto Web3 space. You cool cats, though, have a great rest of your day.